What if I told you that no matter where you live, in the US, India, or even Brazil, you could make money just by listening to music? Yep.
This song is my jam!
People everywhere are saying they're cashing in $7 to $15 per song with these apps.
How much?
But does it really work, or is it just another internet myth? Method 1, the Current Rewards app, or Mode Earn app. Let's kick things off with a popular app called Current Rewards for iPhone, or Mode Earn app for Android. It has a 4.5-star rating with over 71,000 reviews. Definitely looks promising, right? Here's the deal. You can earn points by doing things like listening to music, playing games, sharing opinions, or completing micro-tasks. The music feature alone gives you access to over 100,000 radio stations, with music from big-name artists, not just random tunes. You can then redeem your points for PayPal cash, gift cards, or even products like headphones and smartwatches. When you open the app, pick a random station and let the tunes roll.
Wow, I gotta try this.
But here's the twist. After 20 minutes, there'd be no rewards. You need to invite 3 to 4 friends to unlock the earning feature. Once you do that, here is how it works. Completing your profile gets you points, email verification, adding your name, etc. Listening to songs racks up points over time, extra points for listening to your first 30 minutes or choosing specific stations. So set the app to play while working, cleaning, and even soaking in the tub. After about 1.5 hours, you'd earn 487 points. But here's the catch. A $6 PayPal gift card requires 13,500 points, and a $10 gift card needs 20,000 points. That means you'd have to listen for a long time. Method 2, Mixkit plus Upload Forever. The second method comes from a viral video that you can get paid on by uploading royalty-free music to Upload Forever. Here's how it's supposed to work. 1. Go to Mixkit, a site with royalty-free music. 2. Pick songs, download them, and upload them to Upload Forever, where you supposedly get paid every time someone downloads your files. Follow these steps. Choose songs from genres like hip-hop and acoustic, the best ones according to the video. Upload the files to Upload Forever. Now the payout depends on the location of the download. $7 for downloads in Tier 1 countries like the US and Canada. $4 for Tier 2, e.g. Australia. Let's add some star power. To give you some perspective, making money in music is not new. Celebrities have been cashing in big with music streaming platforms. 1. Drake reportedly earned $70 million from Spotify in 2021 alone. That's from billions of streams.
Jesus Christ.
2. Taylor Swift made $92 million in 2022.
What the fuck?
With a huge chunk coming from streaming platforms and royalties. What do you think? Would you give these methods a shot? If you found this helpful, even if the methods weren't, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.